how to rebuild your life, even if you don't know where to start. Let me ask you something. Have you ever looked at your life and thought, okay, where do I even begin? Like everything feels messy, complicated, or just not what you imagined. And while everyone else seems to have a plan, you're over here trying to remember where you put your motivation last year. If that's you, good news. You're not broken. You're just human. Here's something nobody tells you. Rebuilding your life doesn't start with a perfect 10-step plan. It starts with one small, honest moment where you say, all right, something needs to change. That's it. That's the spark. Think about cleaning your room. You don't start by organizing every drawer or color-coding your clothes. You start by picking up one thing. Just one. And before you know it, the whole room looks different. Life works the same way. Maybe your one thing is drinking more water. Maybe it's deleting a few toxic contacts. Maybe it's getting out of bed on time or going for a 5-minute walk or saying no to something that drains you. Small actions may look useless until they stack, and suddenly they become momentum. And momentum becomes change. Here's the secret. You don't need clarity to begin. Clarity comes from beginning. Your journey doesn't have to be beautiful. It can be slow, awkward, uncomfortable, and still count. Every tiny step you take is proof that you haven't given up on yourself. And if no one has told you this in a while, let me say it. You're allowed to start over. You're allowed to rebuild. And you're allowed to do it at your own pace. So take that first step today, however small it is. Your future self will look back and say, that was the moment everything changed.